It is snowing in November in North Carolina. It was 70 degrees 3 or 4 days ago, and it is snowing. Oh my goodness! Wow. It'll be our luck. This will be the only snow we get all year long. Wow, this is so weird and rare. It's melting as soon as it hits the ground. Look at this. Collecting a little bit on the grill. Move, kitty, kitty. Oh, there goes the cat. He'll be back. And here he comes. You want me to leave you out in the snow? 'Cause I will.